Okay, vloggity vlog. We're out on the boat. Yeah, it's a decent boat, you know, going down to Harrison, which is pretty cool. Okay. Anyways, yeah, we're here at the Portland launch. It's a pretty comfy boat. I'll continue the vlog later.